Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cut a butcher block countertop to size. First, I remove the butcher block from the packaging and I set it securely on a few sawhorses. Next, measure out exactly where you need to make your cut and mark your points. Once your marks are set, add painter's tape over the area where you'll be cutting. And the painter's tape helps reduce splintering and gives you a cleaner cut. Now line up your marks and draw your cut line across the tape. And here I used my straight edge to connect the marks and make a clean, straight cut line across the tape. Here I positioned my straight edge as a guide for the saw, making sure it's lined up so I could get a nice straight cut. Instead of clamping the straight edge down, I had some help holding it in place so I wouldn't risk marking or damaging the butcher block. For this cut, I'm using a 7 1/4 Diablo 60-tooth ultra finish blade to help give me a nice clean cut through the butcher block. And it really does cut into this butcher block like butter. It's beautiful. And there we go. The cut is complete, and as you can see, we've got a nice clean edge. Now this butcher block is cut to size and ready for the next step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.